Welcome back to another video of Daily Conversation Part 7. Here you will learn idioms, phrases, daily conversation, and tips that native speakers use every day. So, without further ado, let's get in. So, the scene is text conversation between a teen and their mom. The person A says, "Hey mom, I will be home late. Some group project stuff." The person B replied, sounds like you are up to something. So here is the idiom up to something, that means doing something secret or suspicious. So the person A says again, I swear, nothing shady, just hitting the books. So I swear here is used to show honesty, and hitting the books is the idiom that used in this sentence, that means studying seriously. The person B replied, okay, just keep me posted. So, keep me posted means give me updates. The person A says, will do, don't worry, I am not getting into trouble. So, in this sentence, the idiom that is used, getting into trouble, that means doing something bad. The person B replied, you would better not be. So, in this conversation, the idioms that used are up to something, hitting the books, keep me posted, getting into trouble, I swear. Thank you. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Allah Hafiz.